Welcome to Best Productly.
"10 Best Welding Machine New Model 2022. We are going to check out top 10 best welding machine in current time. I mean, this list is best my personal opinion, and I try to list them best on their price, quality, durability, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about this welding machine, you can check out the link down in the description and comment section below. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Top 10.
Miller Electric Stick Welder Thunderbolt Series, black, width 7.125 in, height 10.5 in, length 13.375 in, 907,721. Country of origin, United States. Package dimensions, 15.6 LX 13.2 WX 13.3 H. Package weight, 22.9 pounds. Package quantity: 1.
Top 9.
Forney Easy Weld 29801 100th Welder Startup Kit, Welding Starter Kit. Kit includes a Forney Easy Weld 100 SD welder, auto darkening welding helmet, 332 steel electrodes, 4-12 Type 27 metal steel grinding wheel, wire brush, driver gloves, and a pair of welding gloves. Perfect for beginners. This kit is portable and user-friendly, making it ideal for novice and beginning welders. All Forney Easy Weld machines come with a quick start guide to get you welding right away. Powerful. The Forney Easy Weld 100 SD is small but mighty, as it is able to weld up to 1/4 of mild steel. Also features 120 volt input and 90 amp output. Lightweight. The machine only weighs 65 pounds, allowing you to take your machine to your project rather than hauling your project to your machine. This reduces the risk of damaging whatever it is you're working on. Click on the By Forney name above in blue under the title to view our full catalog of welders, abrasives, chain/wire rope, tools, and more.
Top 8.
Hobart 500,570 Stickmate 160i. Dependable, reliable, and rugged. Easy to carry and store. Weighs under 20 pounds. 10 FT. 3M. Electrode cable with heavy-duty holder. 10 FT. 3M. Work cable with clamp. 6.5 FT. 2M. Power cord with MVP adapters for 120V and 240V. Easy, quick, reliable starts with hot start technology. Up to 160A output. Welds up to 5/32-inch mild steel. 120V/240V input power. Allows connection to 120 or 240V.
Top 7.
Vever MIG Welder 200A Welding Machine 3-in-1 Combo MMA MIG Lift TIG Welder Machine Flux Core Welder Portable Welding Machine Welding Wire Dia 0.8-1.0 mmW 1 kg Welding Wire Stick Welder 110V 220V. Splendid performance. Not only will you find the multi-process welder a convenient assistant, but you will also be impressed by its excellent welding characteristics and fabulous welding results. MMA Welding 10-200A Gas Shielded Arc Welding 30-200A 60% at 200 amps rated duty cycle. Prepare to be dazzled by the stable arc, little splash, good shaping, efficient welding, and 3-in-1 welding modes, MIG, TIG, and MMA. IGBT technology and integrated wire feeder. Undoubtedly, the application of IGBT technology has significantly enhanced the welding machine's reliability and turned them into a lighter and compact version, 19 pounds. Still, one thing you cannot ignore about this MIG welder is the integrated wire feeder, to whom you should thank when you see a smooth wire feed.
Top 6.
Rillin TIG Welder Machine Active Pulse. Portable stick welders 180 TIG Arc 2-in-1 welding aluminum with LED display voltage 230V plus 15%. Multiprocess AC/DC TIG plus stick welder. Full function. DC TIG plus AC TIG plus Pulse TIG plus HF TIG. Lift TIG plus MMA TIG output. 2180 AAC. 15160 ADC. High duty cycle with 25% at 180A stick output. 20-160A at 25% duty cycle. Automatic plus LED display. Simple operation with one adjustment knob. It has infinite voltage and wire feed speed control. Easy to read and set the menu with LED display. Portable welder. Lightweight with full function. 14.5 pounds only. You can easily take this machine right to your project. Compact design. Much less weight. Equal functions to the heavy welder with multi-knobs. Save space and money.
Top 5.
MTS 205 amp MIG TIG-Torch Stick Arc Combo Welder Weld Aluminum MIG 110,230V Dual Voltage Welding New. MTS 205 integrates the most innovative design structure and technology, featuring all the functions of every welding machine. MIG mag, flux core, lift TIG, stick and spool gun, which can weld aluminum. It can perfectly weld all conductive metals. Aluminum, aluminum alloy, stainless steel, alloy steel, carbon steel, steel, cast iron, iron and copper, all up to around 1-2 inch. The MTS 205 is the most efficient machine for every task. The MTS 205 uses a high-quality wire feeder to ensure smooth and stable wire feeding. When using MIG mag, flux core welding, it is very easy to adjust the welding current and wire feeding speed. The output is easily adjustable according to the thickness, and polarity is easily altered according to the wire type. Even beginners can complete any task efficiently and easily with this machine.
Top 4.
ANDELI TIG Welder 200 AMP IGBT Tube Intelligent Precision Cold Welding Machine Pulse Automatic Cleaning 110V 220V Dual Voltage. Function: TIG, Pulse, Cold, Clean, Auto and OAG Welding. Cold: reducing deformation, little discoloration. The color of stainless steel welding bead is silver white in cold welding mode. PS: need pure argon gas. Applicable material: ordinary thin steel, iron, stainless steel, mold, gold and silver jewelry processing, and etc. Not suitable for aluminum welding. Delivery package: 110V/220V TIG 250 GPLC, Cold Torch WP 9F4M, TIG-Torch QQ 154M, Gas Pip 3M, collet *20, nozzle *30, ground clamp 2M, tungsten electrode *10, HD 250L4M, foot switch, helmet, LED.
Top 3.
YESWELDER TIG 250P ACDC 250 amp pulse TIG ACDC stick, Arc TIG, Welder 220V TIG welding machine. Software controlled square wave ACDC TIG inverter welder. Digital set of pre-gas time, start current, up slope and down slope time, finish current level and post-gas. Time with a choice of 2T or 4T trigger function allows control of the welding process at a professional level from start to finish. Auto saving of welding parameters while power off. Auto recovery of last time's welding parameters. Unique air channel design.
Top 2.
Hobart 500,578 Multi-Handler 200. Multi-process capabilities. Versatility with one machine that provides MIG, DC TIG, and stick capabilities. Dual voltage allows you to connect to common 120 or 240 volt power receptacles without the use of any tools. Simply choose the plug that fits the receptacle. Easy to use interface. With 2 knobs and a process button, setting up or changing over this machine is quick. Spool gun ready. Spool guns enhance feedability and reduce bird nesting associated with soft aluminum wires. No additional control box or adapter is required to connect the spool runner 100 spool gun. Hobart 531 warranty. 5-year warranty on transformers, stabilizers, and
Top 1.
Primal TIG 225x 225 amp ACDC TIG stick welder with Pulse CK17 Flex Torch and cable 3-year warranty. 225 amps TIG/stick welder with Pulse function works great with aluminum, stainless steel and thinner metals. CK Worldwide 17 Series Superflex TIG-Torch with Flex Head and CK Superflex Hose also includes CK DINS Connector USA made. 200 HRTZ on Pulse Freak and AC Freak will do 1/4 aluminum and 3/8 mild steel and 110/220 volts, and is capable of welding 7018, 6013, both HF start hand torch control. All of the items are available on Amazon.com. I have included all of the links in the description. You can check out the link for the latest price. If you like this video, please hit the link button below, share with your friends, and be sure to subscribe.